Hey, kids! Are you ready to play?
Welcome to Pineapples TV!
Hey!
How, Mom? Oh no! What do I see? Oh no, what do I see? A messy, messy room. Oh dear me! Clean up alarm! Can you help me clean it up? Come and clean with me. Toys on the floor, clothes everywhere. Books and blocks are here and there. I don't know where to start today. Can we clean it up together? Yay! Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Put your toys back carefully. Clean up, don't delay. Make your room nice today. Tights, put them in. That's the way. Let's begin. Fold your clothes nice and neat. Now your room looks clean and sweet. Clean it! Clean it! Clean up, 1, 2, 3. Look how tidy it can be. Clean up, clap your hands. You're the best in all the land. Make the bed smooth and tight. Everything is looking right. Stack your books upon the shelf. You can do it by yourself. Pick it up! Hey! Put it back! Hey! Clap your hands and stay on track. Spin around and smile wide. Clean room joy we cannot hide. But my room is clean. Great job, the best I've seen. Clean every day. It's fun to do.
I did it!
You did? Show me!
See? All clean!
I'm so proud of you!
Yay! Goodbye, friends! See you soon! Please like and subscribe!
Hey!